How to change KakaoTalk account password. So let's get started. First of all, open the KakaoTalk app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your Kakao account. Then simply click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now from the drop-down menu, tap on the General Settings option available there. Now pick Privacy from the option inside the General Settings. Then again, tap on the Kakao account at the top. Now, choose Change Password option available at the bottom. After that, enter the current password and all you have to do is press the Confirm button. Then provide the new password and re-enter the password. After you do so, again tap on the Confirm button available there. Finally, check if you want to remain logged into your account, and that is it. You have successfully changed the password on the Kakao account. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.